Continuing scene. Scene. Conflict Resolution Workshop. BA. Thank you all for joining this workshop. Our goal is to address the conflicts in our requirements and find a solution that works for everyone. Let's start with the UI concerns. Product owner. We want the UI to be intuitive and user-friendly. What are the technical challenges you're concerned about? Developer. Our main concern is the potential impact on performance. A highly graphical UI might slow down the system, especially with our current architecture. Stakeholder. Could we find a middle ground? Perhaps a simplified version of the UI that still meets user needs without overburdening the system. Developer. That sounds feasible. We can create a prototype of the simplified UI and test its performance. BA. Excellent. Now, let's move on to the security concerns. QA team member. We need clear guidelines on the security measures to ensure our test cases cover all necessary aspects. Stakeholder. Our security standards include data encryption, user authentication, and regular security audits. These must be incorporated into the feature. Developer. We can work on integrating these security measures, but we'll need detailed specifications to ensure we cover everything. BA. Great progress, everyone. We'll document these decisions in the RSD and proceed with the updated requirements. Thank you for your collaboration. This concludes Episode 1 with the BA successfully gathering comprehensive requirements, addressing conflicts, and ensuring alignment among the team members.